Hello friends, welcome to my channel. And today I'm gonna share with you how you can use warmth effect in your Instagram post when you upload in your account. Okay, so this is very easy tutorial. Just follow my step, then you will learn. Before the tutorial start, you are requested to or your friend is requested to subscribe to this channel. And if you face any problem, please let me know in comment below. And please let me know your opinion about the videos. Okay, so let's begin the tutorial. Here you can see the Instagram apps. Just click on this, and after that you are seeing the bottom part. Here you can see the bottom part plus icon in the center icon. Okay, plus icon, click on this and choose post in bottom part and select image and fit it according to your picture. Okay, so fit it, and after that you are seeing the option right top corner arrow button. Click on this, and here you can see the option here beside the filter. Click edit and scroll the right side, and here you can see the option warmth, this one, right? So click on this, and this is the default. So if you use this feature or effects in your picture, then you will see the difference. This is exact picture, and if you use the warmth effects in your picture, then your picture will be looking very good. Okay, so I just drag it and pull it right side, then your picture looks so warm. It depends on your picture quality, and this is whether I feel this is hot and warm. So it depends on your picture context. Okay, so if you drag it in left side, then this is looks so cool. This is looks so cool, and it's look like cold. Okay, and this look like hot. So you can use this effect according to your image context. Okay, I just keep this one. This is good for me for this picture, and after that you have to choose done. Okay, if you choose done, then your picture is ready to upload now. Friend, I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you got any help from this tutorial, please like and let me know your opinion, and please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for this tutorial. I will back with another video in the next episode. Okay, thank you for watching this tutorial.